Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error if after you update your iPhone to iOS 14 you can't use your Facebook app, so when you open it, it crashes. So how you can fix it? So just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here general, and in the general you need to find shutdown. So just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So this is the first way. It named restored, so just try to restore your phone. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to make force restored, so just keep holding power and low volume button at one time until you will see here Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, just release 2 fingers from these 2 buttons. It means that you successfully made force restored. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go to reset and just reset all the settings. But it's the last thing you can also try. The simplest way you can also try again is just tap on your Facebook app and just move it from left to right until you will see here delete. So just click on delete and choose delete app. And after, just go again to App Store and just find in App Store in search Facebook. So just write here in search Facebook. And just download and install Facebook again on your iPhone. So here you will see get not open, and just click on get. It will successfully download and install Facebook on your phone. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try the latest way. It's just try to So I think that this all things you can also do with Facebook on your phone. And I hope that one of these methods will help you. So just try it. I hope I help you. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel. Click like and goodbye.